let's get, I really want to just get the look like that. You can angle it, you can do straight or angle however you would like. And then press it on the sides. Give it a good pressers. Rub. If you need to using the tweezers, dual end tweezer to get this really completely rub on, do so. Ah, crazy, thanks so much. Oh, Kimlin, that is so exciting. I'm so excited for you. Look at that, how it transferred everything. Do tag us though. I can't wait to see your beautiful creation. This is really cool though. It transferred everything you needed. I don't think I missed anything. And then just see that how I just angle it. You don't have to do straight. You can do straight. You can angle this way or angle the other ways, however you would like. All right, so let's move this one, and it's beautiful. Oh, that is so stunning. Oh, I'm loving this one. All right, so let's start with condensed glue gel. First step from Trifecta. And we are going to apply just a good amount, not too thick and not too thin. If you're having a hard time with the crystal placement, this is gonna be your going to be your bestie. All right, just good enough amount, and we are going to using no wipe top coat. Oh, it's already beautiful itself. So let's put some cute. I really want this one though. Looks good. Or the green. I'm thinking this one is my fave. But I said, no, I want to use this. It stand out really cool though. And the blue short. And the frame, the bar. And add some SS8. Also frame.
Yes, Kimlin. So if you guys want to request something from Nancy, let her know. And if she can incorporate into the design, she will.
Yeah, let me know what you would like to see. I wanted to get some beautiful on this super cute top right here too. I'll do some pink. Let's see what we can get. Yeah. Cool.
Hey Alexa. So after you doing that, yes, you will use your third step, which is your precision glue gel, which is we're gonna do at the end. So we're gonna do all the design and we're gonna do all the precision glue gel at the same time. So that will double secure your design, first thing, and it also help fill in all the gap and crevice. Make sure that will never catch on to your hair, your clothes, and anything that might bother you.
Oh, good. Kim Nan said that. I hope you're using the blue. Yes, did I use a blue that you were thinking of? Awesome. Yeah. So the best thing about condensed glue gels and no white chocolate, sorry I was quiet because I'm so fascinating with this foil. I like so much beautiful colors in here, and then you can still rock this with the neon crystal kits. And if you got chance to see the glow in the dark color kits, glow in the dark kits 1, glow in the dark kits 2, it is also back in the stock right now, so then you can grab your beautiful kits before it's out again, because last time it was out really fast and everybody couldn't catch it in fast enough. And also is the special promotions for the free trifecta and free mystery treasure bags is end tomorrow night, so check them out before they are not available anymore. It's such a great special offer. I feel like it's Christmas because it's have like not only trifecta, also you are getting your mystery treasure bags. You get 2 kits, you're going to get 2 trifecta and 2 treasure bags. It's like, hey, it's not gonna stay straight for me. It looks like it's crooked to me because I was sitting up. All right, one more. It's really cool, huh? You can always add more. Trust me, when you're using the condensed glue gel and no white chocolates, you will never go wrong with this at all. It looks good. It's cool though. Good. All right, happy with this. We're going to cure this for 60 seconds. I think this one need to be just a second. All right,